Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer any file, photo or video on your SD card to iPhone or iPhone to SD card. So I'm provide full guide. I'm just take two different SD card, small and big SD card, and I'm just take one card reader, and I'm just take cable, converter cable. So at first I'm just connect this small SD card properly and this. Okay, or if you want to use on big SD card or small, and must be use this converter. This converter is USB to type C. I'm just connect. Okay, all set up and open my file apps. Okay, this method will be work any iPhone. At first follow this and put in. So look here, now successfully connect this SD card. So connect only one SD card, like I'm remove and use this small SD card. Okay, now connect this. So no down, just connect one SD card. So you just use only one. So this is my SD card. If you want to transfer iPhone to SD card or SD card to iPhone in the same process, like I'm transfer my iPhone to SD card, press on to select your any photo, video, audio or file. Like I'm select my file, photo, video and photo. Okay, click on to share option. I'm just copy this. Okay, now it's copy. Go back, open my SD card and select any folder or create new folder, like I'm create new folder, iPhone. Press on right mark. Okay, and just open this, just long press and press on to paste option. Okay, now successfully paste here your copied photo, video or file, or if you want to transfer SD card to iPhone in the same way.